Hi, my name's Michelle, and today we are going to do a 10-minute walking cardio workout today. No jumping, all you need is yourself, and let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can watch this video right now, make sure to save this to your watch later list and join us when you can. Okay, so today we are going to do a walking cardio workout. So we're really gonna get that heart rate up. We're gonna be walking, we're gonna get our steps in, and this is a 10-minute workout. All you need is yourself, a yoga mat, and a place to move side to side and to reach up. So making sure our arms don't hit anything, making sure we have a nice space. So first, we're just gonna start with marching. So go at your own pace. You can go as fast as you want, you can go as slow as you want, but we are just going to march for a minute. And this whole time, make sure we're breathing, make sure our core is locked. So what I want you to think about is I want you to blow out the air in your body. So I really want you to, and that's gonna give us a nice tight core. And we're gonna try to keep that through this whole workout. We got about 20 seconds left of this marching. And then when we are going into the next one, we're gonna stay marching. Give me 5 more seconds. Remember to keep that core tight. And just march at your own pace. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna march, but we're gonna bring our arms up and down. So we're gonna do a nice shoulder press for another minute while marching. And your brain might be like, wait, what? Because as we're bringing our arms down, our legs are moving, and it can be a little confusing. So keep that core tight. Up, down, give me 20 more seconds. March, and bring those arms straight up like we are shoulder pressing. You guys got this. 5 more seconds. All right, and now we are going to punch diagonal, and making sure we are shifting in our hips. So we're bringing that back and forth. We're just punching side to side. Keep going, you guys got this. Keep punching, shifting in those hips. If you want to take a step, go for it. So start bringing in really that walking, that marching up. Same arm, same leg. So as this arm is going across, the same leg is going up. Give me 10 more seconds. Keep that core tight. Remember, blow out all the air to really keep that core tight. All right, same thing. And we're just punching forward. As one arm is going, the leg is kicking back. And we're just going forward. But we're continuing that march, that walking cardio. You guys are doing great. Keep that core tight. Punch, punch, punch. And remember, we're going at your pace. So you can go as fast as you want, you can go as slow as you want, but just make sure we're always staying moving. Our legs are moving, we're marching. We're really getting the most out of this walking cardio. Give me 5 more seconds. You guys are doing great. And rest. And now we're gonna go straight into pulling our arms back and kicking one leg at a time. So pretend we're kicking our butts and really pull those arms back. Keep those core tight. You guys got this. And back. As our arms are going back, our legs are kicking up. You guys are doing great. Yep. Keep going. Give me about 10 more seconds. You guys got this. Keep going. And rest. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna step side to side as our arms cross. So you can bring your feet together and just make sure our arms are going as we are stepping side to side. Keep that core tight. You guys are doing great. Side to side. Really cross those arms across your body. Keep going. Give me about 20 more seconds. You guys are doing great. We're almost there. Get those steps in, side to side, and rest. And now we're going high knees, opposite arm, opposite leg. We're bringing the knees up towards our elbow. Don't worry about going like too far down. We're not really focused on doing the crunch. We're focused on marching our knees up and as high as we can for a minute. You guys are doing great. Keep those core tight and up. Opposite arm, opposite leg. And remember, we are going at your pace. Nothing more, nothing less. You want to put more effort. You want to work a little harder. Go a little faster. Give me 5 more seconds. And rest. All right, remember how we crossed our arms and did a side step? What we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna bring our arms up. Keep that core tight. You guys got this. You're doing great. And we're almost done with the workout. We're already halfway through. So you guys got this. Arms above head in a circle motion, side step. To your right, to your left. While we are bringing our arms up and down, up and down. You guys are doing great. Give me 10 more seconds. And rest. Okay, so now you know how we did this, but side to side. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do this, but we're gonna give ourselves a small curtsy. You don't have to go too far down. Just a nice, bring that leg behind the other leg. Keep that core tight. You guys got this. You're doing great. Cross those arms, cross those legs. You got 20 more seconds. You guys can do this. Keep that core tight. Cross those arms and legs. And we got one more exercise left after this, and you're doing great. 5 more seconds. All right, and now for our last one, we're gonna do something called standing jack. So think jumping jacks, but we're gonna come down and up. So take a step out and up. Take a step out and up. And 30 seconds in, we're gonna take a step with the other leg. So bring those arms up as you squat and bring the leg out. 10 more seconds with this leg. I'm really gonna work the brain and use your other leg. This could be a little different. This is definitely my dominant leg, so it's easier for me to do it this way. And switch legs. Remember, squat and out, bring those arms up. 30 seconds on this leg. Keep those core tight. Whew. You guys got this. Ten more seconds. And rest. All right, so we have completed our 10-minute walking cardio, but we're gonna do a small cool down. So what I'm gonna have is, if you need a wall, totally okay to go get a wall. I'm gonna have you grab your ankle. We're just gonna stretch our quads just a little. Just because we've been doing a lot of legs, a lot of walking, a lot of steps, we wanna stretch those quads. And this is a great time to catch your breath. Give yourself some deep breathing, some deep breaths. If you need water, this is a great time to grab some water as well. Give me about 10 more seconds. And then we're gonna switch legs. Again, if you can do this without holding a wall, great, but feel free to grab a wall and grab the other leg. Again, deep breaths. Catch your breath. Get some water. And just try to see if you lose balance, just focusing on the next thing that we were doing and I lost my balance. Give me about 10 more seconds. And rest. You can just shake out the legs a little. And what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna have you just kind of like fall down just a little, like let your hair down. You can go for your toes, or you can just let your arms hang wherever you want them to hang. You're gonna feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings, maybe a little nice stretch in the back, but go as low as you can possibly go. Again, you can go for your toes to give yourself even more of a stretch, or you can just relax. You can bend those knees a little and up. All right, and last stretch. Just give yourself a nice big hug and rotate to the side. Just give yourself a little stretch in that spinal region. Deep breaths. Make sure that we're staying hydrated. Drink some water, get in your protein, and I hope you all have a beautiful day and can't wait to see you next time. If you like this workout and you want to see more, make sure to download the Yoga Plus app. See you later.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the pose library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.